11 warning signs that your body may need more zinc and how to fix it. Zinc is an essential mineral that plays a critical role in many aspects of health, including wound healing, digestion, immune function, sensory perception, hair health, male fertility, skin health, and brain function. Despite its importance, many people do not get enough zinc in their diet. A deficiency in zinc can lead to a range of symptoms and health problems. In this video, we will discuss 11 warning signs that your body may need more zinc. By recognizing these symptoms, you can take action to ensure that you are getting enough of this important mineral to support your overall health and well-being. Here are 11 warning signs that your body may need more zinc. Slow wound healing. Zinc is an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in wound healing. It helps with collagen synthesis, which is a key component of skin and other tissues. A lack of zinc can slow down the healing process and make wounds take longer to heal. This can be particularly problematic for people with chronic wounds, such as those with diabetes. Loss of appetite. Zinc is important for the proper functioning of the digestive system and is involved in the sense of taste. A lack of zinc can lead to a decreased sense of taste, making food less appealing and leading to a loss of appetite. This can result in malnutrition, as the body needs a variety of nutrients to function properly. Diarrhea. Zinc is crucial for the healthy functioning of the digestive system. A lack of zinc can disrupt the balance of bacteria in the gut and lead to diarrhea. This can cause dehydration, malnutrition, and other health problems if left untreated. Weak immune system. Zinc plays a vital role in the immune system. It helps activate immune cells, such as T cells and natural killer cells, which help fight off infections. A lack of zinc can weaken the immune system and make a person more susceptible to infections. This can be particularly problematic for people with weakened immune systems, such as the elderly or those with chronic illnesses. Sensitivity to light. Zinc is involved in the functioning of the retina, which is the part of the eye that senses light. A lack of zinc can cause problems with the retina, leading to sensitivity to light. This can make it difficult for a person to see in bright light, and can cause headaches and eye strain. Hair loss. Zinc is important for hair health. A lack of zinc can cause hair loss, as it disrupts the normal hair growth cycle. This can result in thinning hair and hair loss, particularly in people with other hair loss conditions. Changes in sense of taste and smell. Zinc is involved in the sense of taste and smell. A lack of zinc can cause changes in these senses, making food taste less appealing and causing a loss of the ability to smell. This can result in a decreased appetite and malnutrition. Decreased vision. Zinc is involved in the functioning of the retina, which is the part of the eye that senses light. A lack of zinc can cause problems with the retina, leading to decreased vision. This can make it difficult for a person to see, particularly in low light conditions. Impotence and infertility. Zinc is important for male fertility and sperm production. A lack of zinc can cause impotence and infertility, as it affects sperm quality and function. This can be particularly problematic for men trying to conceive. Skin rashes and acne. Zinc is important for skin health. A lack of zinc can cause skin rashes and acne, as it disrupts the balance of oils and bacteria on the skin. This can result in red, irritated skin and breakouts. Mental fatigue and irritability. Zinc is involved in many aspects of brain function, including the production of neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that help regulate mood and behavior. A lack of zinc can cause mental fatigue and irritability, as it affects brain function and mood. This can result in difficulty concentrating, memory problems, and mood swings. How much zinc does your body need? The recommended daily allowance, RDA, of zinc varies depending on age, gender, and pregnancy status. The following are general guidelines for the daily intake of zinc. Adult men, 11 mg. Adult women, 8 mg. Pregnant women, 11 to 13 milligrams. Breastfeeding women, 12 to 13 milligrams. Children, 1 to 3 years old 3 milligrams. Children, 4 to 8 years old 5 milligrams. Children, 9 to 13 years old 8 milligrams. Adolescents, 14 to 18 years old 9 to 13 milligrams. It is important to note that these are only general guidelines and that individual needs may vary. It is best to consult a doctor or a registered dietitian for personalized recommendations based on your health status and other factors. How to fix zinc deficiency. The best way to fix a zinc deficiency is to make dietary changes and increase your intake of zinc-rich foods. Here are some steps you can take to increase your zinc intake. Include zinc-rich foods in your diet. Foods that are high in zinc include oysters, beef, pork, poultry, beans, nuts, whole grains, and dairy products. Eat a balanced diet. A balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrients can help ensure that you are getting enough zinc. Eating a diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein can help you meet your zinc needs. Take zinc supplements. If you are unable to get enough zinc from food, you may need to take a zinc supplement. It is important to talk to your doctor before taking any supplements, as they can interact with other medications you may be taking and cause side effects. Avoid foods that interfere with zinc absorption. Some foods, such as phytic acid-rich foods, such as soybeans, whole grains, and legumes, can interfere with zinc absorption. To optimize zinc absorption, it is important to avoid excessive intake of these foods, or to properly prepare them by soaking, sprouting, or fermenting. Get enough other nutrients. Other nutrients, such as calcium, iron, and copper, can compete with zinc for absorption. It is important to get enough of these nutrients, but not in excessive amounts, to avoid reducing zinc absorption. It is important to note that fixing a zinc deficiency can take time and may require a combination of dietary changes and supplements. Consult a doctor or a registered dietitian for personalized recommendations based on your individual needs and health status. In conclusion, zinc is an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in many aspects of health, including wound healing, digestion, immune function, sensory perception, hair health, male fertility, skin health, and brain function. A deficiency in zinc can lead to a range of symptoms, including slow wound healing, loss of appetite, diarrhea, a weak immune system, sensitivity to light, hair loss, changes in sense of taste and smell, decreased vision, impotence and infertility, skin rashes and acne, and mental fatigue and irritability. It is important to ensure that you are getting enough zinc in your diet through food sources or supplements, as a deficiency can have serious consequences for your health.